Y'all, Glorilla just put Young Thug on blast after he called her ugly AF on a jail call with his girlfriend Mariah the Scientist. She put him on blast, basically saying that he was blowing her phone up.
I saw the girl, Gorilla. She,
Yeah.
why do people say she pretty? That be ugly as fuck.
You think she ugly?
You said it. Like, yeah, they say she ain't ugly. Niggas be saying she ain't ugly. That bitch ain't nothing.
They be saying she look like Rihanna.
Man, be like goddamn Brianna.
Oh,
Man, watch out.
man.
She look like Rihanna. Long ass bullshit ass wig, skinny shit. Goddamn big ass head, big mouth. Man, watch out. It's crazy. There probably niggas really running around sneaking with a tooth in the henna.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure some other niggas in her DM and stuff. Probably. But I be feeling like sometimes a lot of niggas like that, it'll be like, if the girl was regular and you weren't trying to fuck with the girl, it's just like she got a number one song and,
Niggas just like, oh, let hit her. Man, bitch ain't talking about nothing. I will not pursue her at all, ever. Man, watch out. Watch out. That shit ain't nothing. All the shit I seen about her. Seen a video of walking past, just big ass mouth, just like always laughing. Look at that bitch. You look funny. She look funny. Man, the girl look funny, man. Who the hell who trying to smack this? Man, you got me thinking like Trippie Redd or some shit and trying to hit her. You see what I'm saying? It ain't no.
Man, Trippie Redd done cuffed this girl. And she is like a super.
So after this, Glorilla tweeted and said, mind you, this the same ninja blowing my phone up to ask what color my eyes is, LMAO. And DJ Academics responded to Glorilla and said, keep it peace, shorty. Man's on the phone with his girlfriend. LO, he's supposed to gas her and say every other girl is ugly and disgusting. LOL, come on, you know the game. Young Thug ended up apologizing to Glorilla. He said, at Glorilla, first of all, I'm sorry to you for my words and I honestly don't think you're ugly at all. I was speaking from jail, just having a hard time with life. I don't like bashing girls and hardly ever did. I'm sorry to you, twin. I mean, at least Young Thug did the right thing and apologized to Glorilla instead of standing on what he said. Like he said, he was going through a hard time in life, or at least he's probably using it as an excuse. Or maybe he was going through a hard time and was just bashing her and bashing everybody else. Because as you guys can see, there's jail calls getting released every day. So maybe he was going through a hard time and was just bashing everybody. But Glorilla, like, she doesn't really bother anybody. Like I said, I feel like what Young Thug did was very stand-up-ish. He basically apologized because he knew he was wrong. And I understand that, hey, people and that's in a relationship, you gossip and talk about it, people with each other. I can understand that. But I would like to know you guys' thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.
Mariah the Scientist said, they said she look like Rihanna. This nigga Thug said, more like Brianna. Mind you, they're talking about Glorilla. I don't know. These Thug tapes keep getting fucking funnier. Like I really do get it. He was locked up for a cool minute. They got locked up in 2022. He just got out this summer. It has been a long time. The shit is so fucking funny. Like, it ain't shit else to do but gossip. You could have worked out. I don't know. I feel like if you get locked up and you come out a fat bitch, you might be the laziest piece of shit on earth. I don't fucking know. But I saw a video last night that makes so much sense to me. And if you see this girl, please, I've never seen this girl before, so I don't even know what her name was. But she was like, the only thing that makes any fucking sense is that these are not the recorded line phones. These have to be a cell phone that was tapped. And that makes so much more sense to me because, for one, the topics at hand, I feel like you sitting up on them people recorded lines saying this stuff. Like, these are crazy things to say on a line that you know is recorded. And it would be one thing if the case was not active. Like, it would be one thing if you've been locked up, convicted for several years, and you just on the phone keying at this point. Like, what the fuck difference do it make? I do get that. But it makes way more sense to me that this is a cell phone that he had in prison that actually was tapped. Because how the fuck else Why are y'all not talking in any sort of code? There's not even like an attempt to mask who they're like flat saying names. Like, I feel like that's way too obvious for somebody who's been locked up before to sit up and do it on people's phone. But him saying that Glorilla got a big head and a small body, Brianna really sent the fuck out of me. I can't even lie. But Mariah, what happened? This is why you gotta get rid of him, sis. You gotta get rid of him. I'm so sorry. And I think if they are a cell phone that's tapped, it makes them being released even more sinister, because that means that Thug is finding out with us that his phone was tapped this whole time.
Young Thug, one of them niggas that gossip so good and so much that you like accidentally call him girl on the phone. He be talking, you be like, girl, shut up. Shut up. But no, for real, it's so many videos of Young Thug freaking yapping. Every day, something new coming out of him talking about somebody. It's so many videos coming out. I want to get a hold of Young Thug and be like, yo, you know so-and-so, what's tea? What's tea? The conversation probably be great. Real messy.
Fanny said, I don't know when them Epstein files is coming out, but I got Young Thug phone calls for days, ain't it? Keeping it a whole stack. When Mariah the Scientist was sitting up on that phone call, snorting and clearing her throat, we should have known then that she was making content that we would soon ingest. Very much like Beyonce, I don't know a lot about algebra, but I do know when you get an Atlanta man to say, man, watch out, at the end of every sentence, he's in his feelings. The other day, another Young Thug phone call. That man did absolutely nothing in prison other than yap. TikTok needs to invite him to their next event because he is definitely a certified yapper. This time he wants y'all to know that he thinks Glorilla is ugly. This man found the unmitigated gall and gumption to call somebody ugly. This level of audacity has to be on sale at Walmart. And this is why I feel like all of that thuggerization is cosplay. Because the man who looks like this, sitting on the phone, calling somebody else ugly, he's talking to his girlfriend. Whole time, the girlfriend's not agreeing. She's not really having a conversation. She's just like, why? Oh, that should have been your first clue. By the time she got to the third wow, I would have been like, is this a setup? Why you don't got much to say? I'm giving paragraphs and you ain't saying nothing but why? Mariah did say something. Mariah told Thug, they say she looked like Rihanna. Why? To which he replies, man, shawty, Brianna. Well played, Sister Cat. Well.
Oh my God. Who knew Young Thug was a hater like this? Like, how are you in the slammer and you using all your time talking about everybody else? Like, damn, and Mariah the Scientist, you ain't no better. You ain't no better. Man, and Glorilla is hotter than both of y'all put together. Losers, losers, losers. And Thug, which one of your friends did you make mad because somebody, or somebody on the inside in the jail who released these damn calls? But what kills me is that y'all know that these calls are always recorded. And if you're famous, that's even more of a reason for someone to catch a scoop on you. So, y'all PR team is trash. Like, just go away from us with this, Apollo. Just, Apollos. Just